Hello, student. This is my second lecture on planning in sports, and today we will cover tournaments, their advantage, their importance, and the types of tournaments. हम सभी टूर्नामेंट्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानते हैं and many tournaments we are watching also like IPL, Kabaddi Pro League, and different tournaments at the national and international level. Competing in physical activities has been the natural tendency of human beings since the beginning of the Stone Age. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि हम मॉडर्न एज में आकर ये टूर्नामेंट्स खेल रहे हैं या इनके बारे में जानते हैं. ये सदियों से गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स खेले जा रहे हैं, बट देयर इज सम डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मॉडर्न टूर्नामेंट्स एंड द स्टोन एज टूर्नामेंट्स. There were no rules and regulations at that time, where might is right was the main principle in those days. Now, when the time has passes, some rules came into existence and competitions began to held in civilized way. Now the competitions or tournaments are held according to set rules and regulations. The tournaments are organized at various level like district level, state level, zonal level, national level, as well as international level also. Some games like Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, World Cups are organized in splendid and magnificent ways. Tournament is not beneficial or entertaining for participants only. It's also provide recreation to the spectators, which help them in reducing stress and tension of their day-to-day life. These tournaments are helpful in holistic development of participants also. तो हम किसको टूर्नामेंट्स कहेंगे? We can say tournament is that series of sports in which one team finally win and rest of the team lose the matches. Means जहाँ पर दो से ज़्यादा टीम्स एक दूसरे से compete कर रही हो और फाइनली एक टीम जो है वो विजेता घोषित की जाती है. Before organizing a tournament, it is very essential to prepare a good plan. As well, we have already discussed about the planning and about different committees during the tournaments and their responsibilities. So we prepare a good plan. And there are various methods to organize a tournaments. It's depend on the which methods we are adopting. It's depend on the various factors like number of participating teams, type of facilities of ground, equipment, number of officials available, and the duration of the tournaments. कितना लंबा tournaments होगा? जैसे अभी हम लोग देखते हैं कि IPL is taking 40 to 45 days to complete. Olympic Games will be completed in 15 to 20 days. Pro Kabaddi Leagues is continue for 1 month. Some national federations are organizing their national championship or tournaments. It should complete within 1 week. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमको ध्यान में रखनी रहती है कि किस तरह का टूर्नामेंट्स हम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, कितनी नंबर ऑफ टीम्स उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगी, कितने दिन में हमको इसको कंप्लीट कर लेना है, कितनी फैसिलिटीज़ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास अवेलेबल्स. Now, what are the importance of tournaments? Players, those who are participating in tournaments with a great zeal and zest, then the tournaments are important not only to the players but to the coaches and physical education teacher also. And the importance of tournaments are it's help to develop the sports skill. The first is important is this: can develop the sports skills. When the teams are participating in tournaments, they are playing matches, and they develop their technical skill of the sports as well as tactical skill also. They learn many things during the matches and the tournaments. Second one, propaganda of sports. जब भी कोई टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं तो उसका बहुत प्रोपेगेंडा होता है, एक एटमॉस्फेयर, एक माहौल बन जाता है गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स का। तो टूर्नामेंट जो है वो स्पोर्ट्स को पब्लिश करने के लिए, उसकी पब्लिसिटी करने में बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है। मीन्स टूर्नामेंट्स आर हेल्पफुल इन पब्लिशिंग द स्पोर्ट्स। व्हेन अ टूर्नामेंट ऑफ ए न्यू स्पोर्ट्स इज ऑर्गेनाइज, कोई नया गेम ऑर्गेनाइज कर लिया जाए, जैसे अगर हम कोई ऐसा गेम जो हम पहली बार देख रहे हों, तो स्पेक्टेटर्स की संख्या जो है वो स्टेडियम्स में बढ़ जाती है। देन द spectators came to know about that sports and this create interest in the sports. जब उसकी पब्लिसिटी होगी, लोग उसके बारे में जानेंगे, तो लोगों के अंदर जो है वो इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है। इट ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इन द सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्लेयर्स। जो भी प्लेयर्स सेलेक्ट किए जाते हैं फॉर द अपग्रेडेड टूर्नामेंट्स, लाइक इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट national teams, those who are going to represent at the international levels or represent India in international levels, then tournaments helpful in selection of the sportsman. Good player can be selected easily by observing their performance in the tournaments. When they get a chance to play the match, they will show their performance, and when they get a chance to participate in the tournaments, they give good performance, and on the base of performance they will select for the next tournaments. It also development of national and international integrations. Tournaments are helpful in developing national integration, unity and brotherhood. How? When the teams are participating, suppose that at the national level many states are participating from different cultures, religions, they meet each others, तो हमारा एक भाईचारे की भावना, स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप बढ़ती है, एक दूसरे को जानने की इच्छा होती है। लाइक दैट ओनली when they at the international levels, all countries are participating there, then it helpful to build up the international integration also. It also helpful in development of social qualities. Some social traits such as tolerance, sympathy, cooperation, brotherhood, discipline are developed among participants through sports tournaments. जब हम स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और डिफरेंट प्लेसेस से प्लेयर्स एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे इकट्ठे होते हैं, तो हमें एक दूसरे के साथ सहयोग करने की भावना, उनसे फ्रेंडशिप की भावना, एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट करने की भावना, ये सारी क्वालिटीज़ जो है वो डेवलप होती है। एंड अदर एथिकल वैल्यू सच एज फेयर प्ले, justice, honesty, respect for others are also developed through the sports tournaments. The one main importance is sources of recreations. Tournaments provide ample recreation to the spectator. To maximize recreations, organizers to do hesitate to make a large expenditures. That is why a large number of people go to watch the Olympic Games and वर्ल्ड कप्स ऑफ वेरियस गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स, जो भी टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे उसमें खर्च होते हैं, एक्सपेंडिचर होता है. व्हेन वी आर वाचिंग IPL ऑन द टीवी, वी आर seeing the stadium is full with the spectators, and the BCCI is expending more money to make it attractive so that the spectators reach up to the stadiums. So these are the importance of tournaments. The first one is development of sports skill. Second one, propaganda of sports. Third one is helpful in selection of players. Development of national and international integrations. Development of social qualities. Sources of recreations. Now the types of tournaments. There are four main types of tournaments. First one is knockout tournament. Second is league or round robin tournaments. Third one is combination tournament. And fourth one is challenge tournaments. So the knockout tournaments is very important and very famous. Maximum tournaments are organizing on the knockout base. In this type of tournaments, a team which is defeated, it's automatically get eliminated from the tournament. And only the winning teams get a chance to play in the second round. Means only the victorious teams is allowed to play further matches until one team emerges as a winners. It means that the defeated team does not get a second opportunity. Opportunity are given to the winning team or player. For example, suppose that four teams, team A, B, C, D, are participating, and in first round team A and B play together, C and D play together, and in first match B will winner, and in second match D will winner. Then A and C is eliminated from the tournaments. Only the winner teams get a chance to participate in the second round. मीन्स नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स में हर एक टीम को एक ही चांस मिलता है सेकेंड राउंड में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. अगर आप फर्स्ट राउंड में लूज कर गए तो आप टूर्नामेंट से बाहर हो जाएंगे. अगर आप कंटिन्यू मैचेस विन करते रहे तो यू आर फर्दर गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड. लेकिन इस टूर्नामेंट्स के कुछ एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज, या हम मेरिट और डीमेरिट्स भी कह सकते हैं. The first one is the advantage of knockout tournaments is economical tournaments. हम लोग knockout tournaments को बहुत economical tournaments कहते हैं, because the knockout tournaments are less expensive, because the team that get defeated is eliminated from the competitions. जो टीम टूर्नामेंट्स में लूज कर जाती है वो टीम तुरंत जो है उस टूर्नामेंट से